Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change refresh rate for your display on your Windows 11. So for this guys, just right click on your empty space on your display like this, and from here you need to open the display settings like this. Okay, and in the display settings, scroll down and open the advanced display settings like this. From here guys, you can easily able to change the refresh rate. If you want to change it, just click on that option. From here you can easily able to change that. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.